Hello everyone, my name is Napa Rawat. I'm a psychology student studying at Kamala Nehru College, Delhi University, and today I'll be sharing about my experience at VataVriksh, an experience that I will carry throughout my journey in psychology and in life. So before joining VataVriksh, my understanding of aging, dementia, mental health, caregiving was only limited to books, lectures, and classroom discussions. But after joining VataVriksh, I got to understand that it's not just limited to textbooks. I got to experience human side of psychology in a way that no book could ever help me. It made me realize that psychology is not only about theories and assessments. It is about patience, understanding, emotional presence, and an ability to make other person feel safe around you and be valued. So, apart from practical exposure and interactions with residents, I was also given this opportunity to work on blogs and research related based content on mental health, elderly care. So, this became one of the most enriching learning experience for me because Dr. Subodh Kumar sir personally guided us in understanding how to write research papers and psychological blogs in a very professional and meaningful way. He always patiently taught us how to approach a topic, conduct research in depth, and organize our ideas and present information in a way that could genuinely spread awareness and help people understand important issues related to mental health and aging. What I truly appreciated was how he was always so approachable and supportive whenever we had doubts or questions, and no matter how small they were, his constant encouragement made us and our learning process more comfortable and inspiring for us as students. So, under his guidance, I wrote a blog on caregiver burnout, which was later published on VataVriksh website. And seeing my work being published was a very proud and motivating moment for me as a psychology student, and it encouraged me to write more or work more on topics related to elderly care and spread awareness. I also had the opportunity to work on the research project related to dementia care and the multidisciplinary approach, which has been sent for publication and is currently under process. So, being trusted with such opportunities as a student made me feel extremely grateful, encouraged, and more confident about pursuing research and work in the field of psychology. So, personally, I after working on research and blogs, I had interest in writing research. So after this experience, I started learning more about how to write researches and studying more researches for my own interest. In addition to this, I conducted MMSE, which is mini mental stakes examination, and through this, I gained practical exposure to cognitive assessments, which helped me understand how psychological tools can be applied in real life. So, through this experience, I learned how professionals assess memory, orientation, attention, and cognitive functioning with empathy and sensitivity with elderly individuals experiencing cognitive decline. So, all these experiences together made me grow not only academically and professionally, but also personally. They made me more confident and more empathetic, passionate about pursuing psychology in a way that can genuinely make a difference in people's lives. So this experience truly was unforgettable under the guidance of Dr. Subodh Kumar sir, and I genuinely feel extremely grateful for him for giving us the opportunity to learn in such a compassionate, reflective, supportive environment. Under his guidance, I learned to look at psychology not just as a subject or a profession, but as a way of understanding and caring for people. His patience, encouragement, knowledge, and the sensitivity with which he works with elderly individuals inspired me deeply. He constantly encouraged us to observe and understand the emotions and experiences of the people we were working with. So, learning under his mentorship has been one of the most valuable parts of this internship, and I will truly remain sincerely grateful for his guidance and support. VataVriksh Parent Care is a beautiful example in itself of compassionate and multidisciplinary elder care. This center provides personalized memory care, assisted living, rehabilitation, day care, emotional support for senior citizens, and observing the multidisciplinary approach followed there helped me understand how psychology works together with medicine, rehabilitation, caregiving, and emotional support to improve the overall quality of life of elderly living beings there. Overall, this internship has been much more than just an academic requirement for me. It has been a journey of emotional growth, learning, lots of reflections, and gratitude. It taught me empathy, it taught me patience, observation, communication, and most importantly, the value of human connection and compassionate care. This experience reminded me why I chose psychology in the first place, to understand people, to support them, and to make even a small positive change around them. I will always remain grateful to VataVriksh and to Dr. Subodh Kumar sir for giving me this opportunity to learn, grow, and experience psychology in such a beautiful and meaningful way possible. Thank you so much.